Hi everybody, this is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol ERBB. This first chart is a daily chart. Each candle represents 1 day of trading. As you can see here, this is a descending triangle pattern form. The support was found at 0.0022, and on Monday of last week there was a break above this red descending resistance line and also above the middle Bollinger Band, which is at 0.0025, and above EMA's 4 and 8. Candles were turning those levels into support throughout the week last week, with the close above all those levels on Friday. The ERBB did close at the upper Bollinger Band at 0.0029, so that's the key level to break. And what bulls want to see is they want to see candles riding the EMA's 4 and 8 support higher. Going forward, candles forming above the middle Bollinger Band are going to signal or equal more upside potential. And then if middle Bollinger Band turns into resistance, that will equal downside risk. If you look up here at Fasto, you'll see Fasto is between 50 and 80. That's considered the bull zone. It is hitting 70, which was a prior resistance level. Bulls want to see a close above 70 to break that resistance. RSI is in the 50 to 70 bull zone at 60.33. The RSI is looking good. If you look down here at volume, you'll see there was a big volume spike on Monday and Tuesday of last week, and then on Wednesday on the pullback there was much lighter volume. So that's what bulls, that's what you like to see, or more volume on the up days and lighter volume on the down days. Down here on the 26th, there was a bullish crossover on MACD, and so that signaled the start of this uptrend here. Okay, let's look at the next chart. The next chart, it has the 50, the 100, and 200-day moving averages. This shows that there was this 50-day moving average, currently at 0.0027, was resistance. Okay, and then it broke intraday on Monday, and then there was a close above that level on Tuesday, but the 100-day moving average at 0.0030 became the next tough resistance level to break. As you can see, 4 of the 5 candles last week, the upper wicks broke the 100-day moving average intraday, but ERBB was unable to close above that level. So going forward for next week, a close above the 100-day moving average should be the bull signal, and would put the 200-day moving average at 0.0057 on deck. So that's the signal that bulls are looking for, a close above the 100-day moving average. They want to see this 50-day moving average turn into support. Okay, look at this next chart here. This is a 15-minute chart. As you can see, there was the big move at the open, and then the share price consolidated between 28 and 29 the rest of the day, with the Bollinger Bands tightening. Okay, there was a EMA 4 and EMA 8 are both at 0.0029, and then you had a bullish crossover. What bulls want to see is they want to see this purple line above the green line, and then they want to see candles forming above those two levels and above the middle Bollinger Band. All 3 of those levels are at 0.0029. So going forward, candles forming above this middle Bollinger Band on the 15-minute chart will equal more upside potential. If you see this middle Bollinger Band turn into resistance, that will equal downside risk. Okay, you have the next chart here. Yeah, this is something to take a look at. Is you want to look at MACD down here. As you can see, it's pinching. So bulls want to see a crossover on MACD. A crossover on MACD could signal the start of the next uptrend. They want to see this 0.0031 level break. Fasto did close at 100, so that's totally maxed. And then you have RSI here between 50 and 70 in the bull zone. It does have room to run until 70 overbought. And then the last chart here is the 5-minute chart, and as you can see, this is a closer look at the action on Thursday and Friday of last week. You can see how wide the Bollinger Bands were on Thursday, and then they got very wide with this big move at the open on Friday, and then as you notice, they tightened, and then coming into the close on Friday, the Bollinger Bands were very tight. So, going forward, either this upper Bollinger Band is going to break or the lower Bollinger Band is going to break. and so bulls want to see candles forming above the middle Bollinger Band, and they don't want to see this turn into resistance and the lower Bollinger Band support level break. Okay, take a look down here at the 5-minute chart MACD line. As you can see, there was a couple of attempts here where it almost crossed over. It started started pinching here. It closed at 0.0000 with the MACD line and the signal line into the close, and so it's pinched, set up for a bullish crossover, and that's what bulls want to see. They want to see the green line cross over the red line, and that should signal more upside potential. Take a look here at 3 o'clock on the 5th. There was this crossover, and then the share price broke out. So it's it looks like MACD is trying to set up for a crossover. So keep an eye on ERBB next week. It could be setting up with a new uptrend, and there's a possible run to the 200-day moving average on the daily chart if the 100-day moving average breaks. Thanks for viewing this chart. Please check out our website. We have videos, chat, and daily charts and educational information. Thank you.